Alright, today we are talking about the ISTE standard of digital citizenship and why it is the best standard. So the definition of the standard on the ISTE website is that students recognize the rights, responsibilities, and opportunities of living, learning, and working in an interconnected digital world, and they act and model in ways that are safe, legal, and ethical. So why is this so important in our digital age? Well, because as good digital citizens work together to help create a society of users who help each other learn how to use technology appropriately. So it's one thing to just have technology, but to be able to use it in the social means that it was made for is really important for especially young students to learn. And here in this picture we have a young student kind of pointing and helping out his other student working with the computer. In this, students cultivate and manage their digital identity and reputation and are aware of the permanence of their actions in the digital world. Sometimes it's very easy for people to forget that everything that you put out online, it stays there forever, and it can have consequences if it's done in a negative way. And if one does not understand how to behave in a polite manner online, then navigating the waters of the internet will most likely prove challenging. Especially we live in a world where there's trolling and cyberbullying, so it is so fundamentally important that students realize that it is their duty to be a good digital citizen in this world, so that when they do use technology and the internet, that when they use it, it can be in a fruitful and positive way. And that is why this is the best standard.